Hello student, welcome to all lecture tutorial. Today we will make lab task number 3. This is lab task number 3. So first of all we create a plane which we select the front plane and sketch. So now first we create the base picture. This is base picture. The height of this picture is 25 mm. This two circle is away from this origin point, which is 39 mm. The radius of this circle is 80 mm and this circle is 105 mm. So we draw this sketch with the help of line and circle command. So let's see. So we draw a line, just midpoint line. The length of this line is 300 mm and the height of this picture is 25 mm. So this two circle is away from this origin point, which is distance is 39 mm. So we draw a line. The length of this line is 39 mm. We draw two circle. One is 210 mm diameter and other circle radius is 80 mm, mean diameter 160 mm. So now we take line command, join to this circle, trim the extra portion of line, use mirror command to mirror this from this center line. Okay, now we will trim this extra portion. Now we use extruded command. The length of this extruded is 150 mm. So now we create this sketch. First we select a plane from the top. Distance is 25 mm. Okay, now we sketch and normal. Now we draw a center line from here. These two circles is away from each other 250 mm. So the length of this line is 125 mm. So we create a circle from this point. The diameter of this circle is 50 mm. Again we create a circle. The radius of this circle is 75 mm from origin. Okay, so now we draw a line from this circle which is tangent to this circle. Now you use tangent command to tangent this line in circle. Okay. Also this circle in this line tangent. Okay. So now we use mirror command to mirror this line from this center line. Okay. Also we mirror these two lines and this circle from this central line. Okay, so now we trim the extra portion which is unwanted. Okay, so now we create other plane from the top of this curve. So exit the sketch, feature, plane from this top plane, from top plane, parallel. Okay, now we use convert entities command to convert this sketch to here. So we use convert entities command, sketch here, this. Now first we sketch to plane 2. Here we use convert entities command. Okay. Now we use extruded cut command, feature, extruded cut. So this is a required shape. So now create other plane. So now first we hit plane 1 and plane 2. So now we create other plane from top. Distance is 35 millimeter. Okay, now we sketch here normal. We draw a circle. The radius of this circle is 75 millimeter. So now we use extruded command. So this extruded length is 115 millimeter. So okay, now we create counter bore. Here sketch normal. We create a circle from here to here. The length of the radius of this circle is 50 millimeter. Diameter of this is 100 millimeter. So we use extruded cut command, feature, so the length of this extruded cut is 20 millimeter. So here we put 20 millimeter. Yes, again we create other hole normal. Diameter of this circle is 75 millimeter. Yes, okay. Now we use extruded cut command again. So through on. Now we create other two hole to here and here. So we sketch here and normal. use circle command here and here. So the diameter of this circle is 25 millimeter. Also diameter of this circle is 25 millimeter. Use X. So we use extruded cut command. Through all, yes. So this is the final shape of the lap task number 3. Okay, thank you.